What's going on, everybody? It is your boy Urben Currse, and I want to welcome you back to another episode of Jamerica News, where your boy is going to be reacting to the react to the react to the react to the react. You feel me? I've been strolling in these social media streets, and I came across this video that I thought was very interesting. It's a Airbnb host putting out the I guess the Airbnb, I don't know what you want to call them, the bookie, I guess. He's putting out the bookie, and it get a little interesting. So let's check this out.
Hey, Marshawn here? You Marshawn? Yeah, come out at me. Okay, for sure. Yeah, come out at me.
When he said Marshawn, was anyone expecting for this to be Marshawn? Yo, there was no way I was expecting Marshawn to come sashaying up the stairs with whatever this ensemble is, because he is in the wild. He got the cheetah, the bear, the lion, everything all in one in this one outfit. He comes saying like, yes. But the Airbnb, people how the Airbnb owner did. Like, he did one of the numbers like, yeah, let me holler at you for a second. All right. And he just surveying the room like, okay, who in there? I see more than who's supposed to be in here. So Marshawn, boy, you better sashay.
Y'all gotta shake.
And it's funny how when he first walked, he said none of these people got a sense of urgency. They don't know this guy from nowhere, and they know he wasn't invited. She turned around, who's that boy? I say she. He turned around and said, who's that boy coming through the door? None of them go on alert, nothing. They just kept doing what they were doing. Like, he could have came in there and just blook up everybody, and nobody would even know nothing. It would have been the worst a massacre ever, and none of them dudes that's supposed to be dudes, wouldn't had nothing. It would just been everywhere. I'm telling you. So I'm surprised. I don't know who this is. They want to be calling me at the wrong damn time. Not today, but I'm telling you, if he would have came in there on some violence, everybody would have been silenced.
Y'all gotta shake. Yeah, y'all gotta shake.
I'm gonna assume this is a homeboy too. I'm just assuming. I could be wrong.
Y'all gotta get up out of here.
Yo, they both backed out. And I mean, literally, yo, they literally both came in there, said, we gonna wear our backs out. Yo, it's not the same when it's a man, bro. Y'all got to stop, man. It's not the same, bro. Yeah.
For sure.
Y'all think they was trying to do a photo shoot for real? I do not think that they would try to do a photo shoot for real. I will be 100% sure that they weren't trying to do a photo shoot. Let's see what they were trying to do. Like, they're not moving fast enough for me. Like, this Airbnb host is very, very patient. Shout out to his meta glasses too. He knew damn well it was too many of them in that damn house. That's why he looking like that. He nervous as hell because he knew damn well he wasn't supposed to have that many people. And most Airbnbs have cameras outside of the house. I don't think they can have them in the house, but they definitely have cameras outside of the house so they can see who's coming and going. I've been in a few Airbnbs and they have, crazy rules.
Yo, you with the cam.
I don't think that he could ask them that. I don't think he could ask them to turn the camera off because you're also recording as well. I understand that's your home, but didn't they sign a contract? It got to be some sort of privacy. I don't know how that works. I mean, he is blurring most of the people faces out. He can't blur because even this person right here is not blurred out. That's a big face person right there. And boy, he got a huge face. He got a faces. He got faces. Faces. God damn. Yo, some people be having some
Heads on them. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes on that motherfucker.
I'm telling you, man. Look, even the host is like, he put photo shoot question mark. Yeah, all right. So all of these are dudes. I don't understand how the voices be getting that low. Like, I'm not talking about what you do in the bedroom. I'm talking about just everyday life. Like, you still a man. I know everybody don't have the deepest voice in the world, but damn, you don't try. You like, I ain't saying I ain't trying to do it. I'm just saying, like, we just do
whatever we can do because, like, I don't even want to be here like that. Because if I'm here like that, you know, like, we can't do the photo shoot. And then they drag the word.
They drag the word.
We need a photo shoot.
Get your funky ass out of here. It always trip me how they call each other like niece and daughter. They were like, "That's my daughter. That's my niece. That's your son. That's your bro. That's your brethren."
Yo. Whoa.
Hey, this right here would have pissed me the mother. Yo, I
Would've went demon mode on his ass. He lucky he just got a yo.
He probably would have been through that damn table messing with me. You scratching up my damn floor like that? So that means y'all did that going before. Y'all ain't got no strength in you. Your little scrawny ass could at least just look how easy that is.
Don't drag it. Come help him.
He said, "Come help."
Whoever wants to help him can help him.
Did he say that's not happening? Hold up. Did he say that's not happening? Hold up.
Whoever wants to.
Oh, he said that's not how you ask. He should you had to ask y'all. Like y'all should have moved this shit in the first place. Y'all not this not your home. Y'all written. Y'all there for a moment. You get what I'm saying? I mean, I get it. At the same time, I get it. If you were supposed to be doing a photo shoot, but again, I don't think they're doing a photo shoot.
Help him can help him.
Neither one of them needed two hands. Look, hold up. Yo talking hella trash as he moving this table. He talking hella trash. My house is even bigger than this. So why you use your house from the start, dude? Why you suggest your house from the start? Why you use your house from the start? Because you know for a fact what y'all about to do, you wouldn't want it in your house. These motherfuckers can't stop lying. Yo, look how many bumbleclad people they all to the front of the place. And you telling me that's a photo shoot? That look like party. I don't give a damn what none of the people say. I said that's a party. What? This You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look like another shadow black ass right there. 6, 7. About 2 inside. About 2 or 3, 4 inside. Yo, you got about like 10 people. You talking about photo shoot? Bro, I'm a photographer. Film and all. Like everything. I'm gonna just put this right here. Film and all. Everything. And I ain't never in my photography years ever have 10 people come to an Airbnb for a photo shoot. Yeah, all right.
I got 2 more flights and 2 more different TV shows that I'm already booked.
Boom. Boom. He told on himself. He told on himself. He told on himself. Let's go back. Yo, listen to what he just said.
I got 2 more flights and 2 more different TV shows that
I got 2 more flights and 2 more different TV shows I'm already booked for. Sounds like some LGBTQ2QQITAA reality show about to happen in that joint. That's what it sounds like to me. It don't sound like it's about to be no regular degular photo shoot and let's flick it up and get out of there. Y'all could did that on the street. Happens every day. Yo, my man escorted them all the way out. No. Listen, he walked up to the door. I mean, to the gate. I was wondering what he was doing. Like, why you gonna go out there with all the people? Hey, my man came dolo. I'm sure he got the blicky and the sticky on him. And he made sure, hey, I'm gonna shut my door. I'm gonna shut my everything. I'm gonna do all of the above to make sure y'all asses get out of here. They could have went left. Let's keep watching though. All of them could have gave, this part right here, when they hit you like this. Oh, they scratched the man. What's that? Is that scratches on that man floor? Could be scratches. It could be some, some male stuff. I don't know. Let me stop. He got the good old basement. That basement fire. Hey, listen, I miss basements, man. Like this, what I'm doing right now, I would have been in the basement doing this right now. Like, being up north, being down south made me appreciate how much the extra space of a basement. Like my room was in the basement, whether it was flooded or not. My room was in the basement for many years, and it's nothing like the basement. While everybody upstairs, sleeping and all that, you could be blasting music and all that. Nobody really even noticed because you down in the pit. You could be doing a bunch of shit down there, and like my studio was down there, everything, man. But it wasn't like this. That's for sure. But I know a lot of people that had finished basements just like this. Like, yeah, so he doing his thing. I don't know where he at, but he definitely doing his thing. Say, where's the coffee table? They done took the coffee table out. Yo, they done took the mirror off the wall. Why you had to take the mirror off the wall to do a photo shoot? Yeah, all right. Them boys about to go in there and guffing, I'm telling you. That's what them boys about to go. But they about to start hitting each other with the yang. Yo.
I'm going to go over how this isn't about gender or sexual preference or really any of that. And I'm going to break down this booking.
Okay, well, let's go to the next clip. See if he breaks this down here because I'm curious. I'm curious to know how this even started, how this we seeing how it's ending. That's for damn sure. But we'll see what his investigation, if he even investigated and everything.
Let me start by saying I've been an Airbnb host for over 5 years, manage over a dozen properties. So over the years, we've developed our own method to make sure that our properties are protected at all times. Mm-hmm. And of course, our method is in guideline with Airbnb and all the other travel agencies. I say that to say that this isn't about discriminating for gender or sexuality.
And they're going to make it that. They're going to make it a gender or a sexuality thing because he would be deemed to be a heterosexual male and he's a homosexual man. You know what I'm saying? That's not what, I don't think that's what this is either. I really believe that they violated, because if that was the case, he would have, if it was some sort of hatred in him, he would have came in there a little bit more aggressive. He actually gave him less words than I would have gave them, probably. But actually, I don't know. I mean, just get out. They don't give you a fight back, then hey, it is what it is. So
your sexual preference, it has nothing to do with that. And I'm gonna break it down. So Marshawn booked one of our properties November 1st to arrive November 2nd. We go ahead and send a message like this, which also includes a link which allows.
Okay, so let's read this. Hey Marshawn, thank you so much for booking with us. Important. Read below. To receive, check-in instructions, please review and confirm your reservation information before you stay by clicking here. That's the link. The check-in instructions will be sent shortly after completing the form. If there's anything else on your mind, please let us know. We'll love to assist. Kind regards.
Us to be able to capture a bit more information. So as you can see, he says that
So he says, can you tell us a little bit more about your intended stay? Also, please upload your ID card picture. I don't know why they wrote it like that, but okay. Well, maybe I'm a little dyslexic, but it ain't what it is. Hey, y'all see a lot of shit about me anyway. Hello. Sunday, November 2nd is my 4-year anniversary. Me and my fiance would love to stay at your beautiful Airbnb for our mini vacation, please.
Hold your butts
Yo, he told these people that he was gonna be staying there with his fiance for their mini vacation. But when he got there, he said, "No, they're not. We." He told them we gonna be there for a mini vacation.
But we gonna be there taking photos. And then the other one said, I got other jobs that I already done had, and I got different flights. I got a bigger house and everything. I ain't even know I ain't got nothing to do with this.
Lying ass motherfuckers.
here to celebrate a 4-year anniversary with him and his fiance. So my team will start to review the information provided through that link, and they see the guest is from Illinois and they're booking a day before arrival. It might be a red flag. But then they determine that if it's only 2 guests,
Guest is located. Guest is local from Illinois. Can we accommodate them?
then we
Yes. Only 2 guests. Make them agree to the strict guest policy, etc. Make them agree to the strict guest policy, etc. So that means they signed something.
go ahead and host them, but remind them of the strict guest policy. So we let them know that we're happy to accommodate them. But
Happy anniversary. They didn't get them a happy anniversary message and everything. Happy anniversary. We'd love to host you and your fiance for your mini vacation. Can you please also let us know that how many will enter the home at any time during their stay? Yes, regardless of if they stay the night. Kind regards. Awesome. Thank you so much. Only 2. Me and my
fiance.
Bumbleclad. Missing them people that wicked no bumbleclad.
What? This hour?
Yo. It acted. That's why. Hey, come on now. Thank you for letting us know.
we ask one more time, how many will enter the home at any point regardless of whether or not they stay the night?
Receipts.
He says 2, only him and his fiance.
Only
so my
those
team then
say-
goes ahead and reminds him of the strict guest.
Hey, Marshawn. Yo, they was corresponding for sure. So Marshawn ain't got no fucking reason for this bullshit. Hey, Marshawn, we have a very strict policy regarding additional guests. If anyone else will enter the home during the stay, the additional guest fee will be applied. Please let us know in advance if you plan to have any extra guests so we can update the reservation accordingly. Kindly reply with I agree to confirm, and we'll send you the check-in details right away. Yes, I agree. That's MR for Marshawn Riggy Run.
policy, where he responds, yes, I agree. My team monitors the cameras and alert me that they see more than 2 people entering the property. I go ahead and take a look, reach out to Marshawn, who says that the third person was helping them decorate. We don't allow decorations.
They went in with it though. He kept with the theme. They was helping him with decorations. He's like, we don't allow decorations. So if y'all decorating, don't tell homie girl, homie da. Tell them to go about their business. Because you told me it was only gonna be only 12 and it's 13.
At any of our properties. Then we go ahead and send the message.
And also on the Airbnb side, on the host side, do they just monitor their cameras all the time, or do they have like people that just monitor their cameras all the time to see what people are going in and out? Because I always wondered that, because I mean, you rent this place out so you can have more privacy and have, more accommodations for probably a lesser price, or shit. Now they probably more sometimes, or even just about the same price as a hotel. But are there people that just sit there and literally just watch you as you're at their Airbnb? That could be very weird. And is that against Airbnb policies that somebody could sit there and just watch you enter and go out? I don't know. But I mean, at the same time, if I was a host, I'd probably watch it too. If I'm getting a bunch of ding, 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 dings, I'd probably be like, okay, what's going on at this house? Because, a lot of times these homeowners that own these Airbnbs in certain neighborhoods, a lot of these neighborhoods don't want them in the neighborhood. Because these Airbnbs could bring anybody to their neighborhood. So they don't really want them in the neighborhood already. So that's why they have so many strict rules with Airbnb on top of what the host adds onto their rules for their own home. I'm just saying.
Just to make sure that it's in writing.
Oh, go back. All right, here we go. Because it's a little small. I just want, hey Marshawn, I just wanted to kindly follow up. Your reservation was confirmed for 2 guests, but we've noticed that 3 people have entered the home. Damn, I wonder how long it took them to send them this, like right away. Please note that the booking policy only allows the number of guests registered on the reservation. Also, as mentioned on the phone, we kindly ask that no decorations be hung inside the home to help us keep the space in great condition. I'm sorry, because it's behind a little thing. Condition for everyone. I guess that's thank you for your understanding. I think behind that, thank you for your understanding and cooperation.
Now my team sees this on the camera and they can immediately see that something isn't right. They've seen thousands of.
Hey yo, they got the gay YNs. They got the shiesty gayers. Yo, they can't. Yo, if I was the one looking at the camera, I'd have been like, yo, they coming to raw for shade. We definitely. I think that's probably what alerted them even more. The first 3, you said that first message. This one, homeboy probably wait, grab his blicky.
People approach our doors.
But if you pay attention though, look at this book bag. I don't think I would have been too threatened if I see somebody with a book bag that look like this. And it's flat
if you
at
look
that.
at these 3
I don't think I would have been
approaching your doors.
Yeah,
You can
look at that.
see they're not sure if they're in the right place. So they're obviously, in addition to the 3 guests that had.
Yo, check this. I'm sorry. This is funny to me. I just never seen somebody in a Nike Tech fleece and a shiesty sashay up the steps before. Yo, this is hilarious to me. I'm sorry. I'm a little loopy in the head sometimes, but that was like why he comes. I wasn't expecting that. I was not expecting this big old gangster shiesty looking ass motherfucker to be. Yo, I don't even know what to even call it. I can't even get it
guests
up.
that had
Bro, the sachet. and they knew what they was doing. They came with mask on purpose. So they like, what does wearing the mask is gonna stop him seeing that there's more than 2 people in there? Then like the mask just make y'all invisible all of a sudden.
Enter the property. Big red flags.
Bro, they came full fledged. There's no way they was coming in for the whole weekend. Look, bottle, strap bag around him, big old bag that look like a damn bowling bag, right? And the flat back, a silk back, bear blue, and then Crippy Rippy over here got his whole gym bag and something else in that hand. Bro, they was coming. They was coming to party, or like I said, do an Airbnb joint. I mean, not Airbnb, a reality joint.
Big red flags. I'm gonna be honest. Maybe I was wrong. Chicago's big, but it's not that big. So when that video went a little viral, they found it.
Hey, why I just did this video about Chicago? What's going on in Chicago, yo? Chicago's a wild place. I gotta go to Chicago, man. I gotta see what's going on in Chicago because y'all be having some wild. I'm originally from Baltimore, man. So like I could go anywhere. So but Chicago be having some of the wildest stories, especially lately, man. I don't know what y'all got in that damn water up there, man.
Reached out to me, so I did a little digging into who they were and saw that they made content. I had to admit, maybe I was wrong. But seeing this type of content doesn't make it.
Okay, burn it out. I was about to say I can't show that. So I was right. I was right, y'all. I told y'all that they asses was gonna be in there rambling, jambling this shit like they fucking like they the LGBTQ Mayweather and Tyson out here. I told y'all this was smaddies, not baddies. I told y'all this was maddies, not baddies. They was in there about to go pound for pound. They was about to put holes through this man's wall. That's why they took the mirrors down. They took the mirrors down because they knew these niggas' backs was gonna be against the walls. Like they backs be against the bed.
Maybe they weren't gonna throw a party, but if they were looking to film any content like this at that property,
they was definitely gonna be filming that type of content. They came with the bags ready, Vaseline in. Shorty was all of them was what. It's wild that people do this. That people rent out other people's places to destroy this shit and think nothing gonna happen after that.
These are not the type of guests that we look to accommodate. We operate off a premise of integrity. Yeah. So when you say that there's 2 people coming, we expect 2 people to be there. Now this could have all been avoided had they just paid for 10 people. It would have maybe cost them an additional $250 to $300.
That's not bad. If it's $250 to $300 a person, that's fucking insane. But if it's $200 to $300 extra for 10 people, they should just pay the $300. Like they being cheap at this point to do content. Like just pay the $300. Now you covered, and now you ain't got to worry about nobody being y'all business. Y'all could have came in there and wrecked everything, been out of there and whatever, and then would have just had the aftermath after that. But y'all didn't even get to do shit. I'm sure. Shit.
And we would have had no idea that this may have been the content that they were looking to capture in that property.
Nah, they was definitely doing that type
At the end of the day, this isn't the type of guest that we look to accommodate. You violate the unauthorized events policy, we have to regain possession of our home. When I work with my investors, I offer them 2 things: being able to maximize the revenue being driven to the asset, right, and protection of the asset. Absolutely. These are 2 things that were being violated with this sort of booking. Hit the follow button for more content.
All right. Yeah. It's a catch-22 with this because it's like, damn, people just sitting there watching you. They literally just sitting there watching you while you're at their home, at their Airbnb. And I get it, that quote unquote that's their home, but quote unquote, I mean, you're paying to stay there. You're paying to have some sort of privacy. You're paying for that exclusivity, I guess, in so many words. And not being in just a hotel room and not having a kitchen and maybe a pool or whatever the case may be, like just to yourself. Like all of those things is because you want things to yourself. You don't want to have to share anything. You don't have to share an ice machine. You don't have to share nothing. You just want a place where you or your family or your loved ones could go. But yeah, y'all playing the sticky game with these reality shows, man. I get it. Listen, content is content. I feel y'all. I'm one of them people that shit. I gotta get the shot either way, So I get the Bookies of them trying to just sneak and do some, but they should have just booked the 300 extra so that they could just go about their business. But yeah, now y'all asses in the dump, and then y'all ain't got nowhere to go. Y'all standing out there looking like y'all about to sing Christmas carols. Anyway, y'all boys, y'all girls, Jamaica world, everybody, go like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this video. Let me know what y'all think about this this Airbnb host and the Bookies. Share this thing, man. Let me know what's going on, man. I'm about to keep wrapping this thing up, man. I'm trying to find content every day to give y'all. You dig? It's your boy.